Hey, what's up guys? It's Jake Hall, and some of you guys might know me more as the Manufacturing Millennial, where I have this really cool, awesome cartoon figure, and I highlight manufacturing videos. Now, my goal with these videos is a couple things. One is to share with manufacturers and end users all this cool technology that's around Industry 4.0 and automation and robotics and solutions that the IIoT platform are bringing in. But another big passion of mine is inspiring the next generation of workforce. Now, everyone is probably already aware, but there is a massive skill gap happening right now in the manufacturing industry where manufacturers cannot fulfill jobs of positions because there's currently not enough people who are skilled to be able to complete those tasks and have that job. So I have a big passion of mine about inspiring the next generation of workforce. Kids who are in 5th grade, going into 12th grade, and early college, or a young adult, and say, listen, manufacturing can be an amazing career and has an abundance of opportunity. But as we all know, with 2020, there's a big thing that happened called COVID. And that really put a snag on me being able to go out and meet with manufacturers and talk with companies and colleges and organizations and to go into schools to inspire this next generation. So I said, listen, like everyone else is working from home, I also can't let 2021 be the same as 2020, where I'm at home not working and inspiring others. So I said, how can I take this platform that I have and begin to build and highlight automation from my home? Well, I started to reach out to a couple companies, and the first company that I was able to work with was a company called Vention.io, and they just sent me a really cool package in the mail. So Vention.io is a company that allows me to design fully automated processes or fully automated equipment on the website, build it with them, get it designed, and then they actually completely mailed me an entire automation workbench that is going to be in my basement here, right next to my work from home station. This whole platform and this whole workbench is what I'm super excited about, because there's going to be podcasts happening here. There's going to be videos happening where I am highlighting really cool automation products and talking about manufacturing processes in the industry. And I'm going to be able to bring more personal content on a daily basis across multiple platforms, but then also do it through panels and online events where I can really share the exciting stuff that's happening in the manufacturing industry. So big shout out to Vention.io for sending me this workbench, allowing it to be my new backdrop, highlighting a bunch of automation equipment, and I'm gonna keep building up this workbench of just all sorts of resources in the industry to share with you guys about what fun technology is happening in Industry 4.0 and the manufacturing. So we're gonna jump to a time lapse, and I'm gonna show you guys what's cool. All right, workbench is complete. Really fun and exciting build. I was able just to have some Netflix going when I was putting this together. I would say it took me about 2.5 hours to fully assemble, and things just went super easy. The assembly process was actually really easy to follow. I just looked at the CAD drawing that this guy was designed off of, and I was really already familiar with the design because I worked one-on-one with one of their designers to go over the workbench and discuss how this would best work for me with the design of having display shelves and ability to put din rail on here and areas for lighting and a bunch of locations for me to mount cameras and do top-down views. So it was really easy to put together, especially with my big passion for Lego and already building things from instructing and assembly. It was just a really fun build to do. Some other exciting stuff, I actually already had the opportunity to begin talking with the future generation of engineers, people who are working in the manufacturing world, where I had the opportunity to talk to high school students. I began setting up different sensors and PLCs and safety equipment, explaining them what safety was and a light screen and sensors. And I even had a collaborative robot here to explain to them, hey, when you program a collaborative robot or teach pendants these days, they're very similar to what we might think of as an iPad or a large tablet, and how we can move the robot around just by moving slides across and set points, and how manufacturing is not this boring process anymore, but it really has a lot of exciting technology. So it's great to see within a week of getting this workbench, I've already started having the opportunity to talk with high school students about that. So there's just a lot of exciting things that I'm really excited about happening in the near future. Podcasts, great conversations happening. I'm going to be on a panel later this month talking about modernization and how COVID has affected the manufacturing industry, and really just a lot of great things talking about products, PLCs, modernization, preventative maintenance, and really a lot of solutions around Industry 4.0 and IIoT. So once again, thanks for checking out this video, Vention. Thanks again for sending me this workbench. If you guys actually want to check out this workbench, I'll put a link in the description down below where you can go up, sign up for Vention, and check out this and download it for yourself, and go ahead and get the workbench at your workplace for a feasibility, a camera setup area, or for whatever you would want to use it for as well. Looking forward to talking to you guys soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.